Hello my friends, William Poloniak here again at Whole Health Foundation. If you have a 280 model juicer, there is one flaw that most people don't know about that needs to be addressed, and even the manufacturer doesn't know about this flaw. Because the press area has a press plate that is a 1/4 inch thicker, the 1/2 inch press plate causes the piston to compress when it goes up top with repeated use, and it gets mushroomed a little bit. And as you can see, the piston does not fit inside the hole, so I have to take this to a machine shop and machine off the mushroom part here. I don't know if you can see it, but it is very slightly mushroomed. And if you'd like to know the reason why this happens in more detail, please give me a phone call. Now, you have to be able to take the piston out in order to service the O-rings and refill the fluid or change the fluid. And if you can't get it out, that's going to be a problem. And I got this out of the piston top with great difficulty, and if you want to know how, call me. I'll explain how to do that. I'm going to take this to the machine shop. We're going to get this done today and then reassemble it, and I'll show you later how to do that. Alright, we've got the piston ready to go into the lathe. Go ahead, Wayne. I'm going to show you how we're going to fix that mushroom tip. And let's demonstrate how the top won't go in.
It does now.
Yeah, it's stuck now. Get that piston centered. Caused that to get out of running through like that?
Not lined up correctly when it was assembled.
So what is it you're doing now?
Just filing the mushroom down, the majority of it, to make it run. Try and make it run a little through. Good finish for the oil seal to work.
So now it's fitting on perfectly?
Yep, it goes on.
Oh, great.
Smoothly, just
beautiful. Alright, we have fixed the piston and assembled it back into the reservoir. Now we're going to add some hydraulic fluid, the red transmission fluid we use in the 280 model, and we fill that up to about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch from the top, less than 1/4, and then we'll put the top on. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the top into the center O-ring on the top and wiggle it in to find the piston. Push it all the way down and use a block of wood to hold that in while we put the bolts in place. And then we'll tighten it down and test it. And remember, we've got a premium hydraulic return spring in there. And the last step, of course, is to tighten down the bolts. Hand tight is okay, not too tight, but I'm going to use a torque wrench to get this down. And I'm going to torque this down to 35, actually to 75 inch-pounds. Equally tight all the way around, and not too tight. If it's too tight, it's going to strip the aluminum threads, and we don't want that. There we go. Now let's give it a test. up and then down. And if you'd like to call me, my phone number is 760-753-0321. My email address is developtrust@cox.net, and my webpage is wholehealthfound.com. Remember to tell a friend, and I'll see you in the next video.